The Petronas Towers are the main attraction of the Malaysian capital Kuala Lumpur. In 1998, at the time of completion of construction, the skyscraper was the tallest building in the world. Since then, tourists from all over the world amazed by its size and amazing architectural beauty. Petronas Towers is an 88-story skyscraper. The decision to build it taken by the Prime Minister, who wanted to build an Islamic-style building. All expenses covered by the oil and gas company. The work took 6 years and cost $800 million. The height of the Petronas Twin Towers in Malaysia reaches 450 meters. The structure of the building is quite complex. The area of all premises is equal to the area of 48 football fields. This area contains conference rooms, an art gallery and offices. More than 10,000 people work in the skyscraper. Both buildings connected at the 42nd floor level by an air bridge. It provides not only fire safety, but also affects the overall reliability of the building. The bridge two-storied and reaches 58 meters in length. The best time to climb Petronas is at sunset. In this case, you can see the panorama of the city both in the light and in the dark, when everything around illuminated by lights.